Well, hello, my pretties. Hey YouTube, it's me, Caitlin Ofriel, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will be decorating my coffee bar for Halloween. So first up, we are obviously going to empty everything off, and then we're going to give it a nice, good wipe down and cleaning with Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. This is in the scent Geranium. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my hands on the acorn or the apple cider scent, and those smell amazing. I am a part of the Grove collaborative, but I missed out on the chance, so unfortunately wasn't able to get it. I went with Geranium, and I do like the smell of it, so I'm going to be using this. Are you guys a part of the Grove collaborative as well? And if so, did you guys get the cool scents? Because I really was sad that I wasn't able to. I'm really excited for this video. Occasionally I will put a few pumpkins by my coffee bar, but I've never fully decorated it for any holiday season. So I'm super excited. This is the first time and it should be a lot of fun. And I can't wait to decorate it for every holiday now. Well, that was a lot dustier than I wanted you to see. Whoops. Once upon a time, I was a neat freak and Swiffered 3 times a day, but apparently I'm just not anymore.
Apparently sometimes I don't.
I purchased this shelf from a thrift store a couple of years back when I first moved here. I painted it in an almond color with Rust-Oleum paint to give it more of a neutral look. Here are some of the items I will be using to decorate the coffee bar. Most of them are from Dollar General, and I got a few things from the thrift store. I also have this really cool sign that says "Eat, Drink, and Be Scary," as well as this "Coffee is a Hug in a Mug." I really liked it. I got it from Dollar Tree, and something about it looks a little gothic, so I thought it would look really nice during Halloween at my coffee bar. Now I'm just seeing which tier tray I like better here. I made these for my Hitchcock theme night video, and if you haven't checked that out, I will link it down below. It definitely has some spooky vibes and is perfect for Halloween. Even though these tier trays are different sizes, they kind of look the same on camera, but I decided to go with this one. Now it's time for the fun part, playing around with all the items and finding where they fit best. It's all about trial and error. I got this skull from TJ Maxx. It's actually a sponge holder, which is too cute, but I'll be using it as decor. I felt like it looked a little bare, so I decided to add this creepy cloth from the Dollar Tree, just to fill the space and make it look a little spookier. My coffee bar is actually an old record cabinet. Funny enough, I keep my cake pans in there. They fit pretty nicely. If you have old furniture and you just don't know what to do with it, think outside the box. You never know what you'll come up with. This little ghost boo sign was so adorable and matched perfectly, but I felt like it was a little too big for this space. This beware sign is from Dollar General, as well as that little pumpkin back there. I'm using this candle jar as well as this cap from a different candle jar, and the cap just happens to fit perfectly on the bottom of this one. So I'm just putting it on there, and I'm actually going to use this as like a stand rather than a candle holder. And on top of it, I will be placing this little sign holder thingy that I got from Dollar Tree during the summer. I really love this. I think it comes in handy, and I just added a little window cling to it to kind of give it a spooky vibe. Here's this little skull again. I really love this thing. He's just so cool. I have another one of these caps from a candle, and I'm just going to place it down and then put a battery operated tea light on top of it. It looks really cute. I have these napkins, and when I purchased them, I thought they said eat, drink, be scary, and they actually say eat, drink, be scary. So it's even cooler. I love it. I think they look really good, and they're very practical. Now I have this bat pumpkin flying his way onto the scene, and he's making his debut onto this coffee bar. So I mean, I'm really doing the most here and putting in all the work, and then I'm just gonna move him anyway. So I don't know why I did that, but I did. This sign actually does say eat, drink, be scary. I don't remember if I got it from Dollar Tree or Dollar General, but either way, it was just $1. And I think it really just kind of adds to the space, and I really like it. Now I'm just kind of playing around with the items and seeing where I think they look best. And then I have this adorable little dog that says, "Hello, Halloween." I love the look of this, and I'll be adding him as well. I got these pumpkin salt and pepper shakers from the thrift store for a few dollars, and I think they look adorable. I have this little Halloween treat box, and I thought it looked cute up there, so I figured why not put it there as well. Now I have these boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. They came in a pack of 2, and I went ahead and actually put my K-cups in there. I thought it would be a great way to store them, and also just super practical but cute as well. And I'm just going to add these window clings that I got from the dollar store to give it a little bit more of a Halloween vibe and aesthetic. So I'll be using the spider web window clings, and these are really easy to put on, and you can easily take them right off, and then you can use these boxers for something else. Next up, I have these really stubborn orange spider rings that I got from the Dollar Tree. They did not want to stay in focus, and they just kept falling, so I had to insert this footage so you can witness it too. And I have this crazy white stuff from the Dollar Tree. I had no idea what it was until I saw it in another YouTube video. And basically, if you just stretch it out and kind of pull at it, it turns into kind of like cobwebs or spider webs, and it definitely adds to the aesthetic and gives a little bit of a spooky, creepy Halloween vibe. So I'm just kind of adding them in sporadic places. As you can see, I have it in the corner, and I'm just putting them around. So I will be putting some spiders in there as well. Now I have these battery operated black tea lights from the Dollar Tree. They look really good. The only thing is, even when they're on the off button, they still flicker and turn on. So it's super creepy. I don't know if they're like haunted, or maybe my house is haunted after all. Anyway, I hope they have more because I really want them. So this is how the Halloween decorated coffee bar came out. hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully it brought you a little bit of spooky vibes for the Halloween season. I am so excited for Halloween and all the holidays to come. As you probably already know, I love to celebrate and I love decorating, and I really want to make my apartment look like a haunted house. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a beat. See you next time. Don't forget that there's fall and Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the holidays to come. So did you guys check? Are you guys a part of the Grove? Are you guys a part of the Grove collaborative? I did just get an email that the winter scents are out, but your girl does not have money to be spending right now for that. So unfortunately, I might have to start a GoFundMe in order to like clean my own house nowadays. I don't know. What about you guys? Are you surviving this pandemic? Still not quite sure if I am. Oops. Anyway, back to cleaning. So we're gonna be doing Mrs. Meyer's geranium scented all-purpose spray, and I'm using like a terry cloth that I got from the Dollar Tree. I feel like I want to be a little bit better with environmental friendliness because we got to save some trees, right? And I really still like to write on real paper instead of my computer. So I like notebooks, and I like to use notebooks, but I'm gonna save trees by using this terry cloth. Are you saving trees today? Drum roll, please. So here is how the coffee bar came out for Halloween. I feel so awkward doing these intro outros. Like, it's so impersonal. House. So if you want to see how I do that, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss a beat, right? I mean, you might want to, but I don't want you to. So subscribe. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Oh my god, why don't I know how to talk?